Hey everybody, I just snuck off. I'm recording today and I'm in a little room to share with you today's Monday mindfulness tip. A friend gave me a beautiful Tibetan mantra yesterday that I really have felt puts me into my heart center very quickly, and I keep singing it all through the day and in meditation. So I'll share it with you, and then I'll write in the caption below how to pronunciate it and what it means. So I've been bringing my hands to my heart center, obviously getting grounded with a few breaths first. And then the mantra is Om Mani Padme Hum. So how I've been singing it is Om Mani Padme Hum, 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 Om Mani Padme Hum. Super beautiful. If you like it, I will also put a link to the recording that I've been singing from on my link in bio. And I hope this tool helps you, and I hope you're doing well. Bye-bye.